Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix no GPS signal lost in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, software update. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down. Click on system updates. Scroll down. Click on check for updates. Click on got it. After click on got it, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, disable battery optimization. Again open setting, scroll down, click on battery, scroll down, click on optimize charging and turn off this button. After turning off this button, disable battery optimization from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, scroll down, click on erase all data factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, your picture, video, music, photo will be deleted from your phone. This is how you can fix no GPS signal lost in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.